Welcome to another RTI Music short tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use the custom path names to configure custom names for functions and streaming services available in the MS3 for the RTI control interface. We're also going to cover other uses for the custom home path feature. Let's start by selecting Integration, then Custom Path Names. Here you'll see a list with 3 columns: a path, a default name, and a custom name. The paths are places where the information is found in the MS3. The default name is how it appears in the MS3. And the custom name can be a name that you configure for your own purposes. Let's take a look at some of the things we can do with this feature. If you look at favorite, you can see the path is \favorite, and the default name which will appear in your MS3 will be called favorites. We could change the custom name to something else if we don't just want favorites to appear. For example, we could call this Jim's Favorites and hit OK. We could also configure artists, composers, genres to a custom name. If genres is a word you don't want to use, you can call this categories. All of these names can be bypassed by entering a custom name. For the streaming services, and as we indicated before, we give you up to 26 different streaming services beginning with A and ending with Z. For example, for Pandora A, our first streaming service for Pandora, we can configure this to something else that's custom and personal. For example, we can call this Jill's Pandora and hit OK. We can do the same thing for the rest of the music services as well as other functions in the list. Each of the apps will be represented. Even Spotify can be used by adding a custom name. Let's call Spotify Jim's Spotify and hit OK. In addition to using this screen for naming and creating custom names, you can also use this to obtain the path names, which can be entered into the RTI driver for Go to Custom command. By entering the path after the Go to Custom command, you could launch any of these Pandora services or any of these functions automatically. For example, if we wanted to initiate a local search, we can enter in \local\search into the Go to Custom command, and that will automatically pop up a keyboard and search through our personal music library. We can launch Pandora Internet Radio by entering the path name for Internet Radio. It's a real handy feature, and it can be used for direct integration and for giving the driver some extra functionality that won't be evident in the actual driver. Thanks for watching.